Hey, good day, troops, to you. I hope everything is going well. What I thought I'd do is hop on here real quick and give you guys a little information about the addition and subtraction or multiplication and division of significant figures so that you guys can have an opportunity to do better or get through this process a little bit easier with the work that you have to do. So this one is actually on the bottom or the back side of the A sheet that you guys already have. So if you guys look here, it is going to be...
I have a question.
Alrighty. So the addition subtraction rule states that the number in the problem with the fewest digits past the decimal determines the number of digits past the decimal in the answer. Oh my gosh, what does that mean? So if you look, the fewest places past the decimal in your problem gives you the fewest places past the decimal in your answer. Okay, so if you look here, 38. How many places past the decimal does 38 have? Well, folks, there's no decimal. So 0 places past. Here's the decimal. How many places past the decimal do you have here? You have 3. So your answer, when you type this on the calculator, that's what you're going to get, 43.100. Okay? Now, this is a calculated answer. I want a significant figure according to the addition subtraction rule answer. So the fewest places past the decimal in your problem gives you the fewest places past the decimal in your answer. So since I have 0 places past in the problem, I need 0 past in the answer. So does that one affect the 3? No, it does not. So I'm going to report that as 43 centimeters. Okay. Here, I have 2 places past the decimal. Here, I have 3 places past the decimal. 2 places past, 3 places past, and my answer has 3. However, the fewest places past the decimal in the problem, which is 2 or 3, yep, that's right, 2 places past, my answer needs to be 2 places past. Now, you guys know what happens when a 9 rounds a 9, 2 rounds a 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Coming to me from a walkie-talkie. Round her up. 30.00 meters. Okay. All righty here. Now, this is subtraction, so it's still the same rule. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put the number of places past the decimal. Here we have 2. Here we have 3. So how many places past the decimal should our answer have? That's right. It should have 2. So I'm going to go ahead and put my chop block there. You guys do the work, and you guys should be able to round that and see that, but at least we're going through this. Here, 3 places past. Here, 2 places past. So our answer should have 2 places past. There's the chop. Okay? All right, now, the multiplication and division rule. Very similar to that of the addition and subtraction, except it's going to be with Sig Figs. So the number in the problem with the fewest Sig Figs determines the number of Sig Figs in the answer. Okay? So instead of having places past the decimal, you're going to have fewest number of Sig Figs. So the number in the problem with the fewest Sig Figs determines the number of Sig Figs in the answer. Okay, so let me see if I can do this here right quick. I bet you we can. So here, how many sig figs? So it's not places past the decimal anymore. Here we have 1, 2, 3 sig figs. Here we have 2 sig figs. Our answer has 4, but it only needs 2. So I'm going to put my chop line right there. Does the 7 affect the 10? Or I'm sorry, the 0? Yes, it does. So we're going to say 11 grams per degree Celsius. Okay? So on this one, it's sig figs. Here, how many sig figs do we have? That's right, 2. How many sig figs do we have here? That's right, 3. And then our answer actually has 4. So how many does our answer need at the end? Oh, there you go, 2. It only needs 2. So I'm going to put my chopper there. Now remember, this number is 763. Don't get caught up in just writing 76. Does the 3 affect the 6? In rounding, it does not. So we are going to write 760 squared centimeters. Okay? Now, this one has 5. This one has 4. This one has 1. Uh-oh. How do we get all those zeros? You're going to have to look back in your notes at the bottom of your significant figure page that tells you how to make significant zeros. Okay? So take a look at that one. Here, 2. Here, 1. Here, 3. So your answer here needs to have 1 sig fig that is rounded. Okay? Now, hopefully this will help you guys out in your work. I will put this out there for you guys. I hope the day is going to be an awesome one for you. So if you ever need anything, again, I am always here. So shoot me an email or jump in on one of your Zoom or Google Meet calls. Guys, have a great day.